I'm going to use the same example I just used to introduce another concept called Booleans. Boolean is simply a fancy term for a true or false statement. So we're going to have a Boolean in here that if it's true, say we passed the class, and if it's false, then we failed the class. So we can use an if statement to influence whether our Boolean stays true or stays false. So I'm going to go up to our variable declarations, and we're going to enter in a Boolean. It's a new variable type, and it's going to be Boolean passed. And we're going to set right now equal to true. So the only place that Boolean would change in this program is if we failed. So grade equals F. We're going to change passed. Can only equal true or false. So passed would equal false. And then we'll print that out below the grade. So if I have a 64, it is true that I still passed with a D. If I have a 48, it is false that I passed and I have an F. And of course, by now you know that in reality for a program we would add text to this. Your letter grade is put a space in there and then have to add a plus sign for the grade. And what we could even do is we could do a comparison on the Boolean. So we could do an if-else to check it out. So we'll do this. If passed absolute equals true, it can only be an absolute equals or does not equals. Passed equals true and true pass. Then you'll have a system.out.println. You passed the class, which all of you will, right? Good. Else means you didn't, and else system.out.println, you failed the class. I'm not going to do an exclamation point. That's not a happy day. So now we can take a look here, and your grade for the class, 79. Your letter grade is a C. It saw that pass was true. You passed the class. Let's get your grade progressively worse. Say you got 23. Your letter grade is F. You failed the class. Could we keep it grammatically correct by doing ifs for the system.out.println? Your letter grade is A, or if it's an A, and you could. But I'm not going to show you that right now because you are able to do that. I just want you to get the concept of the if and the Booleans.